Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to the live session. How are you all? Welcome to the live session. How are you all? Welcome to the live session. Today we are going to do so first will be MRPL and second will be Tata Consumer. Let's see. First will be MRPL and second will be Tata Consumer. Let's see. See, yesterday I shared the reel in that which I have shared. Yesterday I shared the reel in that I told like hourly trend line has been there. So let's see how this hourly trend line has been respected. If this trend line will be respected, that means the setup is looking absolutely fine. As we know that is getting ready, so let's see how data will be looking or how the setup will perform. So for that we need to analyze like just give me 1 minute friends, I will just just people were asking regarding the details, so I was just helping them out. Just 1 minute. Yeah, so we see that Tata Consumer is taking support at the hourly and it's looking very strong. So see, this is only for educational, I'm telling, it's not a recommendation I'm providing, because this only the learning I'm showing, like how trend line has been is respected or how we can learn it. So if you will be the part of the course details, you will have more better understanding. So for that you should know that where we should learn, or how we should learn, or which strategy will work good for us, or which strategy will work the best for us. That should be our main idea. Okay, so in this we see that in early time frame the Tata Consumer setup is looking a little stronger because it's respecting the trend line. Here if you see this portion, it's just consolidating between this line, and today this green candle, this is right now the 1 hour candle. Today you see the 3rd November, it's 11:15 candle, sorry 10:15 candle. So this candle shows like I went down, like the stock went down, and then buyers are here, they are giving support to it. So if support sustains, it will be a good quality stock to observe for the study purpose. As I'm suggesting again and again, is only for the study purpose. So you have to understand where you have to invest, or how you have to invest, or how much you can go for it. But the point is, you should understand the importance of anything. If somebody is telling you something or somebody is teaching you something, doesn't mean he or she will be 100% right always, because it's a stock market. Any time any news can come, any fluctuations can come, any inside data can come. The same way if you see MRPL also respecting, this is also early time frame, and MRPL is respecting it. If we reduce the time frame to 3 minutes, see, it gave a dip and nicely it is recovering from here. So overall it's looking fine, but you have to learn that how you have to be constant in the setup, and how you should understand you can sustain in the levels in this. If we go to hourly, here also is taking support. If you go to daily, we'll see, yeah, it's already going up and up. So perfectly fine as of now, and Tata Consumer is also perfectly fine as of now. See, to learn something, you have to be dedicatedly involved in that setup so that you can know how much you are investing somewhere or how much you are interested in somewhere to invest or analyze that kind of a thing. If you go to 3 minutes time frame in MRPL, let's see. Yeah, it's taking support from here. And if you are going to Tata Consumer in 3 minutes time frame, let's see, this is also taking support from here. So you should understand like where we should enter, when we should enter, and why we should enter. Okay, and stick to your confidence, stick to your understanding. If you are okay with the movements, if you are okay with the strategies, if you are okay with the setup you're finding, so it's perfectly all right. But if you have doubt or if you have some confusion, so first try to solve it and then take a fresh entry. But first you should learn how the things perform. This is MRPL in 3 minutes, and this is Tata Consumer in 3 minutes. See, both are trying to take support. Anything can happen. It can give a dip, it can either straightly go away, but so easy it's not to just going up is not so easy. Let's see how it goes. This is today's high. Let's make a mark here. Let's see how Tata Consumer is performing. See how nicely Tata Consumer went up. Still taking support. See, more number of stocks you will see, more number of analysis you people will do, you will have better clarity. See, nothing is right and wrong here. It's only your entry has to be right and your setup has to be confident with your mind. Like basic the trading psychology plays a very big role in actual trading. See, theory is very easy. Anybody can say orally this, you enter at this and exit at this. But why? And why you need somebody else to guide you when you have the time and you have the interest to learn? So better you go for self-learning, try to improve yourself. See, every day you are investing and losing 1000 rupees, 500 rupees, 1500 rupees. It doesn't make sense. Sense makes when you invest that amount in learning, because see, they are already going out from your pocket, right? So if you want every day something to go out, or you want something to go out which will give a result back, so better to invest the things which will come back as a profitability, as a mental satisfaction, as your confidence level will increase. So you have to understand that you should be the part of the system where you should learn every day. Make yourself, invest in yourself instead of giving money to the market. Actually, when you are losing, somebody is gaining, right? So you are giving to someone else's pocket instead of giving. Invest that money for your learning, for your growth. See, wherever you are comfortable, you can learn. From whichever place you are comfortable, you can learn. But what I am suggesting in trading psychology is also a major part. 10% is buying and 10% is only selling. Remaining 80% is psychology. So in my personal view, I'm telling, because I am a personalized trainer, I only train for the individual person, because in group sometimes what happens, people hesitate to ask for something like that, they get distracted. Different background peoples are there, different age groups are there, so some people may not get comfortable. So if you want personalized, you can just have a contact with me. I can take your, whatever you're thinking, your understanding, your brain level is there, what is your mind, the way your mind approaches the thing, we can study that, whether it is the right, whether the that approach is wrong, or where something problem is your understanding, or problem is with your strategy, that things can be discussed. Okay, so if you feel, you can just have a, just give a proper message, it will get, we will get back accordingly. So the point is, you should learn first. Don't just sit in front of the system, enter somewhere and exit with 500,000 or 1500 loss every day. That is not going to give you either the mental peace, either the growth which you are expecting. So try to invest in your learning first. Okay, see, learning is one time, and earning is lifetime. So first invest in yourself, so that you will be capable enough to think and decide what you are performing and how you are going to work on it. See, as now coming back to the setup, this was the candle and here it is sustaining. If it breaks this, chances are pretty high. See, probability, again I am saying, nothing is fixed here. So if it breaks this and goes up, so it's looking positive. But will it be? That we have to give time. Give time to the trade to go. But ready for both the sides of effect. So it's not like what you are thinking will always work. It's because stock market is not the thinking capability. So it's not like what you are thinking will always work. It's because stock market is not the. So setup is looking fine. The entry is looking good, and it's looking like it will go. But still probability is there. Nothing is fixed here. If you feel your setup is good, your entry is perfect, then only you can perform. So get that right entry and that right mindset. Now see what Tata Consumer is doing. Such a big green they have made, and now a dip is coming. But this is also trying to sustain. It will not be a major problem. But how long it will go, that you have to understand. Now this 3-minute candle is closed. Now next 3-minute candle is getting ready. See, it broken this resistance level, the highest. So it's going up. It's good. It has broken this resistance. That means the strength is there. When strength is there in the setup, then you can get a good result. It's not like nothing is impossible. The point is, how can something be possible? Think on that way. If something works in the way you are doing, just remember it should not be a luck. By luck I got the correct setup, or by luck I got this today, or by luck this happened today. Luck should not be there. It should be your understanding, your ability, आपकी काबिलियत होनी चाहिए. एक बार ही आप काबिल हो गए सेटअप को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए, टू सी द वर्किंग, then no problem at all. Every day you will get opportunities, but you have to make yourself capable of that thing. That is why we say no, काबिल बनना है आपने. Success will come, but you have to be strong enough to analyze and manage your traits. Okay, how much quantity you have to take, when you are supposed to enter, when you are supposed to exit, everything should be in your hand. Nobody should be there who is going to guide you in this. Okay, see, such a big candle they gave, and now a tip they gave. So in this also two different mental setup can work. If a person is only having an intraday view, he would have booked the profit in the small candle only. If he has a little longer time frame, he can just keep as a 15 minutes, then he would have kept it and he can sustain accordingly. So you have to see which kind of a person you are, where you are having interest, what is your willingness, how you perform the things, what is your target, what is your profitability percentage. See, nothing is, again I am telling, nothing is right and wrong here. It's just how you are performing the things. What is your strength in this? Let's see how Tata Consumer. See, again a dip and again are getting ready. Same way this will also come back. It should come back. See, I'm not saying guaranteed. It should come back because it's taking a nice support and a nice setup is getting ready. So probability is always there, but we have to be ready with all the effects. So always give yourself what we say, a chance to learn and a probability to be in the situation where you have your own confidence in yourself or understanding of yourself. Okay, whatever I am doing is getting to work. See how Tata Consumer is looking now. What do you think about Tata Consumer? Again, it's not a recommendation, only I am telling you as per your learning purpose. See, in this it gave a dip, is coming back from here only, is taking double extensions. Here is trying to take a support and go up. Probability, only the game of probability is there. So if you feel that learning is as important as earning, or learning is before important to start into earning, so you can join the sessions, send personalized messages, it will be answered, and it will be good if you learn, because without learning nothing is going to work fine, that everybody knows. But how far people learn, or how much they are interested for themselves, that is only depends on their wish. Because if a person is interested, he or she may know that where he has to perform, how much he has to perform, how much hard work is required, everything, everything affects here. So again is taking a quote, and this was the opening somewhere here today. Today third, and the opening was here, this candle. This was the opening, this candle, and the high of this candle is 1167. Okay. It's trying to break this high and go up, and overall high today is 1169.40. Let's see. Let's make a line over here so you can understand. This is the today's high. And this is today's low. Here only it took a support and went up. It's hovering between these levels. It's a kind of a rectangular setup it has made. Again, we make it and this is the opening of today's, and here is the low, and it's between this range. If it's near to the breakout, if it breaks, then good setups can be visible, like good points can be captured. But to get at this level and to understand the scenario, we have to be alert. Let's see how it goes. From bottom it has taken a support and is always remember, you have to be alert with the stop losses. Stop loss should be there, so that it's not like, I know the spikes are there, then easily stop losses get hit. That all scenario is correct, but you have to be safe first. Okay, if you touch a candle with your finger, you just feel the heat and you just take your hand back, you're not keeping it inside to get burned, right? Then why you are keeping your losses for longer? If you see the losses happening, or your limited period or limited amount of loss, if you can capture that also, you can come out. No, or you want to sustain there and sit and wait for more. Okay, so high of today is this. This level, the high is 169.4. Let's see if it will be able to break this. Okay, just wait, give time, have patience, and believe that if your setup is okay, it will perform. Let's see how MRPL again is taking a support and is coming up. It beautifully is taking a support and coming up. Okay, See, only two stocks I have discussed today, only to analyze how they are performing. Yeah, so sorry, just 1 minute. So it's 1168.60 on coming back. No problem. Give time, have patience. Now see how MRPL is doing. See MRPL is back on the track again. It's okay. We'll wait for again 3 minutes more. So every day it is a half an hour of session. So if you feel you learn something, or you like to learn, or you want to talk or discuss your problems, or give some suggestion, whatever it is, whatever makes you satisfied in this level, you can give. Or give some suggestion, whatever. So if you feel is worth to invest in studying rather than investing every day and getting nothing, you just contact, direct message, and you will be benefited. Why you will be benefited? Because you want to learn. When you want to learn, nobody can stop you, and it's your own wish that I have to perform or I want to do something. Okay, each and everyone is invited. If they want to learn, just directly contact and you will be definitely benefited. That too I can be sure. If you are a little bit interested in yourself, then it will be worth. Okay, so have a nice day and try to learn. Okay, just closing the session now. Thank you all for your support and your time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.